Welcome everybody, how you guys doing? This is Davon Marquise West, aka Mark West, and I just want to say thank you so much for joining me here on this introductory course to how to study for your CLEP exam. I'm really excited. For those of you that found me on YouTube and watch my videos there, I appreciate the love. Thank you for going on the journey and coming here and jumping into the free module. So let's go ahead and get started. I don't want to waste too much time here. I'm going to give you guys a quick background on why I do what I do, how I got to this position, and all that good stuff. So back in late 2016, I went to take a Spanish CLEP exam. And growing up in Southern California, for whatever reason, I thought that I was just going to blow this exam out of the water. I grew up around a lot of Hispanic culture. I understood a lot of Spanish, so I was just thinking, okay, I could do this. And I didn't study for that exam, so I went in to take it. I'll never forget it, on Hickam Air Force Base, 2016. And I took this exam, and I didn't pass. I failed it. But I didn't study for the exam, and I almost passed it. I got a 46 on the exam. So right then and there, a light bulb went off in my head, and I said, if I went into this exam without studying and I scored a 46, I wonder what I would have scored if I would have sat down and actually applied myself and studied. And then from there, that just set me on this journey to seeing what exams I could take and how I could score on them without studying, just to see it, right? I completely shifted gears. At this point, it was all experimental. So then I just started taking exams, and I made a video in, I want to say either late 2016 or early 2017. I just want to posted it on YouTube, and it is actually my most popular video on YouTube. And I just talked about my experience. And from shooting that one video, I got so many people hitting me up asking me about how the exam was and what they need to study and this, that, and the third. And I thought to myself, I should keep doing this. And that's exactly what I did. So now I'm just in the business of helping people pass their exam, taking all the information that I've gathered over the years, all of the material that I put together with the help of PhDs in that particular field of study, all of my study guides that I've created. All of my study prep is better than it ever was. And I'm ready to help you guys pass your exam, and I'm excited. And that is just a little bit of backstory on myself. And honestly, guys, can I be honest? Can I be really honest right now? This free course is literally going to set you up so that you really don't need anything. You don't have to purchase anything. You don't have to buy anything. I'm just being honest. Listen, I'm a guy who sells study prep, and I'm telling you this, okay? I have things that I sell, paid courses, paid study prep. I have all that, but I'm telling you, if you take this course, everything that I'm going to give you in this course, and you go and you build your own study guides, and you go and you build your own study prep, you can do that with the information that I'm going to give you. You don't have to pay for anything. Now, it is more work. It is going to take more time. But if you're one of those self-starters that you enjoy that process of putting together study guides and flashcards and really putting the time in and the work in, then you're going to do just fine. So let's move on. I feel myself getting a little long-winded, and that is not what I want to do. So who's this module for? I'm talking to people who don't know where to start. You don't know what to study. You don't know how to study. Afraid of studying the wrong thing. They don't want to spend too much time studying something that might not even be on the exam, or might not even really make a huge impact on your score. If any of what I just said slightly resembles what you're feeling, then you're in the right place. I'm going to totally lace up your tennis shoes. I'm going to get you right, and you will walk away from this little module feeling great, feeling like you know exactly what you need to do. Your motivation is going to be on 1,000. Your drive is going to be on 1,000. And the other really great thing is I'm going to give you my contact info so you can reach out to me and you can ask me questions, and I'd be happy to help you out and give you even more reassurance if that's what you need. Finding your starting point. This is my whole purpose, is to help you find your starting point, help you get going. Like I said before, alleviate the stress, alleviate the fear, help you save time. This is what my brand is all about. I want you to get in the best possible position that you can be to take this exam, to get the best score that you can get. In this module, I'm going to introduce you to a few of the resources that I feel are like the end-all be-all. The resources that I'm going to give you, I feel like you really don't need much else, but that's just my opinion based off of how long I've been doing this and how long I've been helping people and how long I've been getting feedback from people. There's a plethora of resources and information out there, but the ones that I'm going to give you, the ones that we're going to talk about, are ones that I feel are just going to put you in the best possible position, saving the most time, and just get going right away. But so let's move on. So what are my expectations for you? What do I expect for you to get out of this module? Again, I'm going to keep hammering this home until you just get absolutely annoyed with it. I want you to walk away from this module feeling like you know exactly what you need to do, what you need to study, how you need to study, how long you need to study. I want you to feel like I'm about to go into this exam and I'm about to blow this bitch out the water. Excuse my French. That's how I want you to feel. I'm being honest. I want you to have that type of confidence. All right. And I'm here for you until you feel that confident. Like I said, that's why I'm going to give you all my information, my contact info, so you can hit me up, ask me whatever questions that you need beyond this module. I need you to have that type of confidence because that's what's going to get you that passing score. That's what's going to get rid of whatever class that you don't want to take, that one final class to get to your degree to help you graduate, or if it's just some class that I don't want to sit in algebra for 2 months or whatever it is. That's my goal, give you that confidence, and I promise you, if you go through this module, that's exactly what you're gonna get. Alright guys, so that concludes our introduction. Those are my expectations for you. I'm really excited. I designed these modules and all my other modules to be very short, sweet, and to the point. None of that long-winded talk and being super boring, and we're not doing all that. Alright, we're gonna get straight to the point. I'm gonna get you what you need so you can be on your way. Alright, see you in the next videos. Take care, guys.